Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to blur part of video with CapCut PC. This is a CapCut video editing tutorial, and for us to be able to get started, we're going to click onto the new project in here. So this will open up the CapCut editor, and first things first, we need to go ahead and import the video that we want to go ahead to blur a part of it. So we'll just need to go ahead and click onto this option in here to import this so that we could go ahead and browse through our different files, or you could simply drag and drop the video that you want to add in here. So it should look something like this. Now we're going to go ahead and drag and drop the video in here onto our timeline, and we're going to do this two times. So we're going to drag and drop it again just like that. And for us to be able to blur a part of it, so we're going to be needing the effects for that. So here onto the upper part, we have effects in here. So we'll just need to make sure that we have clicked already onto the first video in here, not the main one. So this one onto the upper. And then we're going to search in here for the blur effect. So just simply search for that one using the search bar so that it would be easier for you to find the specific filter. So this one is what we're going to use. We're going to drag and drop it onto the first video that we have in here, and it should look something like this. So as you can see, this is the blur option. We have totally added this onto our video, and we could just go ahead and click onto the outside of the video in here to go ahead and adjust this. So onto the mask option, and there are different options to choose from. So we could choose to blur a part of it horizontally, we could mirror it, or circle, a rectangle, heart, or a star. So for example, we're going to use the circle in here. So if you click onto that, it should look something like this. So we have blurred this specific part of the video using a circle form. So it should look something like this. And if you play the video, it is something like this one. So we have blurred specific part here, or we could try out different options in here. So we could use horizontal. So for the rectangle, we could just adjust using this option in here. We could have this up until here. And if we do a quick preview, this is how it should look like. And then right after, once you're already satisfied with that, you could just simply export the video in here to go ahead and save the video onto your device. So you could choose a resolution for that, the bitrate, codec, format, and frame rate. And you could also adjust the title and just click onto export to proceed. And that is just basically it onto how to blur part of a video with CapCut PC. And if you think this tutorial has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.